Malta's golden stone streets, we sail east to Greece's largest island, Crete, a land of mountains, beaches, and unforgettable food. Crete is the largest of the Greek islands, offering endless opportunities for exploration. Meals at local tavernas often cost under €10, and guest houses can be found for €30 to €40 a night. Few travellers discover the pink sands of Balos Lagoon, where boat trips cost around €20, or the village of Arcanes, where traditional wine and olive oil tastings are just a few euros. Lutro, a tiny seaside village only accessible by boat, offers tranquility far from tourist zones. Exploring Crete means mixing public buses, which cost around €3 per ride, with car rentals at €30 to €40 per day for reaching remote beaches. Driving offers freedom, but winding mountain roads require caution. Take your time and avoid night driving. Crete is welcoming and safe, though trails can be rugged, so wear sturdy shoes. A local custom you'll encounter is raki, a strong spirit often offered after meals as a gesture of hospitality.